Hello, this is Ryan. As you can see by my name at the top of the website, this is my Lights Out project. So first of all, we have the grid here, as well as the game settings up top. When you open the page, it will default to a grid of width 10 and height 10 with the cardinal neighbors variant. By clicking the New Game button, you create a new game with whatever settings you have up top. So if we want to go ahead and change the size of the grid to be 5 width by 7 height, we can change it up here and then click New Game, and it'll create a new grid, a new game rather, with those settings. So if we go ahead and make a game that I can actually solve, we can go ahead and test this like that. And so see, when I have successfully turned all the lights off in this game, I get a victory message that tells me I've won in X number of clicks. And the grid will never start fully dark, so there will always be at least one light on. And I've also designed it such that there is always a possible solution, so you'll never get an unsolvable board. We can also go ahead and change the game variant. So if I just make this like a 5 by 5, so this is cardinal neighbors is the default, and that just changes the cell that you click as well as the adjacent cells. But I can go ahead and do entire row / column. So I have to create a new grid to do that. So I'll create a new game with this new setting. And now whatever cell I click in, it'll change that one as well as every cell in that row and in that column. And it's the same deal. It's always a solvable game. And every time you click it, it'll give you a random board. And the last variant is diagonal neighbors, which when you click will change the cell that you click as well as its diagonal neighbors. Yeah.